Sweetheart, what do you have for dinner?
I have only old rice.
All right.
After that work, cut all these vegetables also.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning I'm going to make vegetable kurma.
The ideal side.
Then,
When a husband surrenders to his wife, he will understand a reality, and it's called peace in the family. With his experience, he also understood this. That's none other than Honorable District Magistrate, Mr. Kuriakose.
do you want this? You can use this also.
Yeah, that's
I've
enough.
kept the coconut inside. You
Oh.
can take that, okay? Now why do you blink like this? Come on, start the work.
What's up?
These are all the newspapers you have given to me, sir.
I was not kidding you. I had a good reason to. 70 cases of duplicate checks. He's a fraud. Even knowing that you have not been able to bring him before me.
Sir,
In the 30 years of my law life, this is the first time I'm seeing something like this. A brilliant criminal and an inefficient police officer.
I'm accepting, sir. I don't have any talents. This CI Radhakrishnan has captured lot of thieves who escaped from police earlier, sir. But I'm accepting that I've lost to him, sir. Just for the compensation, I came this time to your house, sir.
You didn't get any other time than the middle of the night?
Sorry, sir. Shekhar, bring him here.
Greetings, sir.
He's the one, sir. Till now, with your mouth,
What?
you have been scolding me that I am unable to capture that guy, Vivekanandan.
Vivekanandan. There was a Mahan in the same name in our country. Did you know that?
I know, sir. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa's disciple, Mr. Vivekananda. He was the sage who won many hearts in Chicago meeting. Without knowing him, how can we survive in this country, sir?
Even knowing that, you're using that Mahan's name in a very cheap manner.
But I didn't name myself, sir. It was my dad's idea. I advised my father that this name will create lot of problems. But you know what is the reply given by my dad?
Kerala is the place where madmen are there, is what Swami Vivekananda said. You will realize one day that that was 100% true. That day you'll be proud of your name. You'll be proud I chose the name.
Good. Nice father, nice son.
Oh,
Anyway, I have a doubt. How did you manage to escape the law so far?
He's asking you only.
sir, between police and criminal there is one difference.
What's that?
Criminal can run anywhere, but the police has
Give
to
me that.
follow the criminal, sir.
Sir, papers are ready here.
Are you going to remand me? Now? At this hour, sir?
Where the magistrate is, there lies the court.
I know, sir. Without seeing even the culprit's face, you will remand them for 14 days. I know that too, sir. But in this difficult case, I request you to hear my story. Please, sir. You got Home Minister's permission, sir? Fine.
Let's hear what he has to tell us.
No, sir.
Stand outside.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Here. By the time my wife gets ready, I want you to cut down all these vegetables. She needs it to make kurma.
Sir, then my story.
I'm all ears. You're not going to cut the vegetables with your tongue. You have a bloody knife. And I'm all ears.
Sir.
Listen up, Vivekanandan.
Sir?
I have all the evidence to remand you for 14 days. In spite of that, I'm a very honest and unbiased magistrate willing to listen to your story. So you keep cutting the vegetables, and at the same time, you can tell your story.
Sir, you know what is this? Ginger. You want me to put it in the mixie or you want me to cut it into pieces?
How was life to you? Give it the same treatment.
Wanna listen to my story? It ain't that fat. If it's your ain't scary, cause I'm the biggest naughty. Oh, ginger, ginger. Well, I gotta wonder, but just to be random. My life is an angel like a...
He is Mr. Balakrishnan. my father. He wants to get into the politics. He has the guts to fight for the needs of the people living in this country.
This government is not able to even give a drop of drinking water. And that is a curse of this country. Let me remind you all of that now.
I'm the only son in my family. For that reason, after politics, my dad loves me so much. And this is the way he expressed his love.
Brother,
Huh?
these things has been taken from your dad's pocket.
This world is drowned in debts. Will you get any relief from all this? I am passing all my debts on to you, my son, and you have to pay it back. You should think well, and you should not tell this to anybody, either your mother or your brothers. But if they come to know, I have no problem.
Her name is Sasi, my elder sister. After I lost my father, the one person who loves me more is Sasi.
£50 and waterless, dark, unworth forest. This is what you gave me for my marriage. I just asked for 5 lakhs to start a business. For that you told that I am very bad. You entered politics and you took away all the money what father earned. I'm just asking what you guys have to give me. That's all.
Please drink. Are you okay now?
Hey, listen. At any cost, I need the money. If you're not giving me, at any cost, I will never leave you in peace.
We'll see
I'm
about
telling
that.
about you also.
This is the way she expressed her love. You can see that. And Mr. Sethu, my sister's husband, he's a nice person. Even in his heart, he's got a lot of tensions.
Unless you give me 5 lakhs, I will break each and everything of this house and fire the entire house. Come on, let's go.
To express the love, he doesn't know any other way than this.
What decision have you taken regarding me?
This is my sister Geeta. Being a brother, I'm everything to her. What happened?
My age is 24, do you know?
That's not my mistake, sister.
People who have studied with me are married now and have 2 children, do you know that?
Many guys wanted to marry you. You didn't select one out
How
of them.
can I accept this? You have given my sister 50 pounds and 1 acre of land. What are you going to give me? If you have no plans of giving me anything, I swear on our father's death that I will run away somewhere and die.
With whom you'll elope?
Lots of boys are coming behind me. I will run away with one of them, that's all. But then, don't call yourself my brother and walk about this place proudly. You'll have no right. Do you understand that?
स्वरथमारूढम् प्रचण्डम् कश्यपात्मजम्
Vivek bro, can you recognize me?
Hey, you're that contractor's Krishna's son.
Yes, but from past several days I thought of seeing you.
Okay, you can see me.
Yeah, but I want to tell you something.
Yeah, go ahead.
Your sister Geeta and myself are in love. It started from past 7 years. I am ready to marry her without any dowry, but she is not accepting that. 600 grams, not even a single gram less than that. Vivek bro, please see my head. I became bald with these tensions. But Geeta didn't see my head. To arrange that 600 grams, if it goes on postponing day by day means balance hair also will go away. Finally, you arrange the gold. Then she denies to marry me means you pig, I will stab you. Bye, brother.
Mother, the one person who hates me more is my mother. This is the way she shows her hatredness. Every minute I felt that.
You can have one more also, son.
Enough. I ate much.
What is this? You never ate anything. Before, when you come and sit, you used to eat lot of dosas.
It's all olden days, Mom. I have changed a lot over these years. You know that.
That is true. You have changed a lot. Always you keep running.
My dad owes lot of money to lot of loan sharks. And this is my running. My mom was mentioned. Oh God, please save me. I believe you.
Pray from your heart, He will bless you. And before that, He will test you. And if you withstand that, you will succeed. Oh my God.
Before escaping, there is a test for me. The name of the test is my friend Nazir.
Hold it right there. Was there nothing else in your life except despair and misery? Debts and loans from your father, problems from your sister. In between this, didn't your life have one lighter moment?
I'm not able to understand, Your Honor.
Idiot, don't you have a love tale to tell me? In spite of all these problems, was there never a girl which passed through your life?
It happened, sir. I met a girl in my life. Rupa.
Now tell me your love story.
Sir, my friend is coming in the cycle, sir.
Let him come. You tell me the story first. Well, after she came into your life, did your problems go away or persist?
The international market's fluctuation decides the value of currency in every state.
Who do you refer to as world market, except America?
His elder brother, Sub-Inspector Ajit Kumar.
Shall we move? Hold me tightly.
Hey, like you, lot of people are roaming behind her. Those guys' legs has been broken by his brother who is riding the bullet. Have you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Already the people who has given money to you searching for you. Besides that, you also want the home department to run behind you?
No idea.
No, right?
No.
Don't think too much and come board the bike now. Come.
That's why I have decided to forget her. Her house. The way in which she travels daily. And her music class. These places I should avoid, and I was very determined in that. I'm not
Okay, take it and
Yeah,
read.
I'm reading.
So you all remember that, right? You mind your business, okay?
Hey, pay.
What do you want?
Money.
You know who am I, right? You're asking the money to a social worker? Don't you ashamed of that? I will make a protest and I'll shut your business.
Let's see.
That's okay. As of now, I'm forgiving you.
Pay
okay?
the money and leave.
Huh? Take it. As of now, you have it. I'll give the balance tomorrow, okay? Hereafter, don't continue this, okay? Yes, fear of me.
Nazir, I bought the phone! Oh, I spent 6,000 rupees to buy this. If I have this money, I would have settled 1 month interest for a loan shark.
Vivekananda, this is globalization period. It is expensive for today's love matter. Once it was a love letter, and today it is the mobile
This is
phone.
where I'm clearly confused. We didn't converse much. More than that, I didn't even meet her once. In that way, when I give this mobile as a gift to her, will it work?
Hey, in love matters, don't you know the importance of this mobile? Don't think it is an ordinary mobile. This is a question instrument. Questionnaire. Question number 1. Is that girl is in love with someone else?
Is she?
If she is in love, she will reject without taking this mobile.
Yeah, that's correct. But that's not the solution for this problem. I'm slightly elder than her, but will she really accept me or not?
That depends on your talent and speech.
That I can manage.
Vivekananda, me as a social worker wants to support all the lovers in this world. That's the reason I tried stopping you earlier and now I'm supporting you. Just leave it. After giving this gift to her, let us see I will be alive or not.
Why is confusing like this?
My brother isn't here?
I came here not to see your brother, just to see you.
He wanted to see me? What for?
There is a guy who loves you more than his ATM card who is living in this town now. With the Bluetooth in this mobile, he will propose his love to you. You don't understand, right? Requesting you to happily accept this gift from him.
Hey! What happened after that? Please tell me.
Whatever I thought not to happen, that happened exactly.
What model is this? You could have got me an iPhone, right?
Not iPhone, your phone, your phone.
iPhone!
You mean phone? That we will get it later. First of all, just call him and tell him that you have got the gift. What is the name of that phone? You said my
Not
phone?
my phone, iPhone.
Just call him and ask him. He will come now.
Then I'll call him now. Tell me his number.
98470
98470
42
42
63.
63. Oh my god, my brother's come.
How to manage?
Greetings, sir. I just came to see you only. We are organizing a protest against the foreign languages and you want to...
Don't make me to punch on your face. What are you doing? Get in! Huh?
Then I'll call you when we organize wrestling, sir.
Hey, look at me. Look up. What's the last number? Tell me. You haven't told me. Tell me now.
No. That's 4.
Four, is it? Okay. Bye.
Hey, 4? But my last number is 1.
Vivekananda, there is a common fact that people think politicians have only less brain.
Yes, you're right.
But I'm not like them. If that yes side takes the mobile from the girl and tries to trace us with that number, what shall we do?
I'll hang myself.
No. He will hang.
Oh.
That guy who has the number ends with 4 will hang.
That means you gave the wrong number and I lost 6,000.
Oh, besides the true love, don't see the stupid spendings,
How
okay?
can I keep quiet? Because that is my money.
That will be the investment. 1 week I'll not be in town. I'm going to a camp with lot of people to research about how to live happily. Once I finish up with the camp, I will go back to that home.
What's the reason?
I will go to her and say, last digit is 1, not 4.
Then her brother will hang me.
Hey, that's a symbol for you both to get close to each other. She will save that number in her heart memory card. Till then you dream about her. At least be a family to her, Vivekananda, in the dream. Dream, Vivekananda, dream.
Perfect situation for a romantic song, but not in real life. So that 1 week I spent like this.
Gate is locked. Brother, no one is here.
Yeah, there is no one here.
Where they went?
They vacated the place before 1 month.
Oh my god.
She's gone, sir. Gone. Once for all, she moved from the town. Where did she go? Why did she go? That I don't know till now, sir.
Didn't you make an inquiry?
No, sir. I have already faced lots of losses in my life. It is one more loss.
Very tough. I thought she would have been one good news in your life.
You know one thing, sir? Only when you lose something, the love really grows. This is the advice given to me by my friend, sir.
Oh, so he was coming on the cycle, right?
Yes, sir.
So what happened to that?
Why you are stammering so much,
New
sir?
idea. Did it work out?
Vivekananda, your time has become good. Your cousin who fought with you earlier for not giving 5 lakhs, he wants to see you right now.
For what? I don't want to say no.
Not to ask you money, man, just to help you now.
To help me?
Exactly. He already came to know that you're in financial problems.
But how?
Oh, come on, man. He's the husband of your own sister, right? Then how
Yes.
come he will leave you?
Yes, correct.
Also, do you know that he's in a very good position right now?
Really?
His business is going in the top level.
Oh,
man.
thank you, God. Please give him lot of happiness.
Vivekananda, just go and see him.
Yeah, no.
Hey, don't object the money, man. Just go and see him right now. Hey, just shut your mouth and start your vehicle right away. Come on.
Yes. Awesome place. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sethu Madhavan.
105.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes, come in.
What happened? Why you are crying?
Nothing happened to me, but you've gone so slim. Are you not feeling well?
I'm perfectly all right. Your husband?
Yeah, he's inside. No problem. You sit.
What happened
Dear?
for him? Listen, Mr.
Kechere, I'm a social worker.
Okay, Mr. Kechari. Vivekanandan must be very angry about me, as they couldn't give me the payment I asked for. I broke all the costly things over there in their house.
That is not his fault. I was the one who gave him
I
idea.
know about your sister.
Okay,
Don't
no
worry.
problem, leave it. Vivekananda,
Yeah, tell me.
as I didn't get the cash I asked for, I've worked day and night sincerely. See, now I'm a owner of the farmland. Now, what should I say to you? I couldn't supervise each and everything at a time by myself. Now I am in such a situation. Previous week, I went to the hospital. It was a heart attack.
Yeah?
Doctor advised me immediate bypass surgery. That's very urgent. For that, you should help me. Whatever business I had till date, from now on, you have to take care of that.
Yes, true.
As there is no kids for me, you should take care of the business in much better way.
Tomorrow he's called all the clients for a meeting.
In front of those people, I will declare you are the in charge of the business from now on. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello. It's a great responsibility bestowed upon me. I'm a hard worker and he knows that very well. To make his dream come true, I will put my heart and soul into it. I'll solve all the problem. It's my word. Thank you. Thank you.
I knew all this before. He's a very good person. All because of my son's luck.
Brother, if you are going to look after the company, then they would have given you large quarters, right?
It's not a quarters. It's a villa. For the housewarming ceremony, ask the pandit to see an auspicious day also.
Then when you go, will you take us also along?
Hey, what the stupid question? When I get a good position without you, what is the real happiness in it?
Very good, brother.
Mom, please, quick, Mom.
Mm.
Driver? Why I'm not able to see anyone
No
here?
one will come to a closed company, sir.
What? Closed company?
Yeah, the company has been closed for 3 months.
Hey, friend.
Hey, not like that. How come they will close the company without my knowledge?
Why?
We are only making to shut down.
Don't call my sister's husband. Come.
Yeah,
Morning.
yeah.
What happened?
Number not in use.
What?
Just clear my debts initially because I'm the one given the money earlier, right?
Me too paid earlier.
No trouble. He'll pay the money to all of us. He is Sethu's in-law. Start disputing, sir.
What are you talking
Cash
to?
in return.
Sethu owes us a lot of money.
That day you promised to repay us, no?
Don't waste our time. Give us the money.
Hey, we don't have time right now.
Oh, okay. One minute. I think I'm stuck big time. Please call him. Please see whether he picks a call or not.
Number not in use. He has got money from these guys and given the ball to you, man.
What I'm going to do now? There's a big mob. How am I going to escape from this?
Earlier, how you manage the people like these guys? Just do that.
Don't jump.
When your bad times are doing the rounds, it is said that sometimes even the good things can
What
become
can
bad.
I do, sir?
All right. Who was waiting for you in that car?
Which car, sir?
Hey, in this car, they have your photo.
Oh, yes. I'm going to explain that. You please wait.
Ah,
I was too tired running all the way. When I was sitting, 3 guys came to me.
Are you Vivekananda?
Yeah, what do you want? Please tell me, are you Gundas?
Yeah.
I will not ask who sent you, because I have to return lot of money to lot of persons before I die. My last wish is to talk to my grandmother.
Not possible.
Are you merciless? She is in the dead, but I wanted to talk to... at least can I talk to my mother?
No, you can't.
Don't you have any sentiments?
Hey, just keep your mouth shut, okay? I'll kick you out. Be careful.
There are 70 cases of check fraud, and he was never caught. Police are searching, court is also searching. All the depositors are waiting to get their money back, but he escaped. You are a model man for all the guys who take money and escape, you know? Fraudulent rascal.
Do you know who is this? He's a very big shot. He's been running lot of finance country. Are you aware of that? Now you come to know him.
When we tell you the company's name, you'll know Elmwood Financial.
I know. In your company, I pledged my jewels also.
But you did not redeem it. We had to auction it.
No, sir, that is the situation I am living now.
Circumstance is the problem. Only a situation changes a man as a killer, a saint, or whatever it is. Now your circumstances have brought you before me, right? It is not just for you. It is my organization's... just wait a minute.
Huh? Why the boss is left?
Come, gentleman, come. Why did you do such a thing?
Sir, I haven't done it intentionally, sir.
Please don't need
I should get the money within a week's time. Mind it.
God, please help me.
Nothing serious. He was our Coimbatore branch manager. He siphoned up some money. He had spent all the money, it seems. I was just asking him where it is. Only after he answers, I can take any disciplinary action.
Sir, could you please tell me why you called me here?
See, I want a manager for my branch which is in Kadapuram. If you are ready, I will be very, very happy. You may doubt whether I have the qualification to be a manager or not, but you are never caught in the case of 70 fraudulent checks. That is your smartness and that is your worth. We wanted a smarter fellow than a thief or a robber, and that is you, and I want to appoint you.
In that Kadarpuram branch, lot of persons got loans. But the people pledge the land documents to get the loan. Once they get the money, they never return even a single penny. When we go to seize the money, you know who will come out of the house?
Male lion.
No, not at all.
Hey, if you come asking for money, I will cut you into pieces.
Oh God!
Oh my God. She's our culture lady, you know.
Those male persons are hiding. Once we are able to bring them out and put in front of our boss, he'll be very happy. My all loans will be taken care of my boss.
That's good, right?
Ah.
How you gonna take them in front of the boss?
I have to do and bring them in front of the boss.
Okay, you have the evidence, right? And if you seize all the products from them,
With the idea of seizing the product, if you have the audacity to step into our area, we will cut into pieces. So we should not use our power. We should use our brain.
oh my God. I have it additionally apart from the normal guy.
What?
My brain.
Okay.
But at least it is useful for you.
Thank you. You don't have to take that risk. I know what to do.
Hey,
My
not like
dear
that, man.
people living in the Shisha, if you are afraid of your loans, please come to the meeting. It is against the company who is giving money for a merciless interest. It's a denounced meeting on behalf of all the suffering people. November 25th, Community Hall. It's a meeting organized by all the affected people living in this area. This is the last chance. We should protest against the loan sharks and we should get rid of all the problems. Hello, mic testing. My dear Shisho people, we already did a secret survey. Sri Ilamuttan Papachan, he and the company owned by him gave lot of money to the people living here. To get back the money given by them, they gave lot of troubles and created lot of nuisance to you. And we came to know that. First we need to arrest him. That is our main motto. To participate in that meeting, I request each and everyone to be in the community hall.
If we come for a meeting, won't they ask us to settle the loan?
How can they ask?
Oh, then we will come. We will come and play with
Okay, sister. Somehow I brought all the defaulters to that community hall. Papachan's Gundas dealt them with their own style. They got a shaken start. Boss, it's me.
I got scared. You did your job and you want me to do what I promised. correct?
Yes, sir.
For the next 3 months, nobody will approach you for loans. And for those 3 months, you will be a manager in one of our branches. Are you listening?
If it is Kadappuram branch, they'll kill me with their oars.
Oh, no, not that branch. There is another branch for you.
Oh.
And with the way you behave in that branch will decide your future course.
I have one more request.
What is it?
Can you please give him also a job, sir?
What is your qualification?
I'm a social worker, sir.
Is that a qualification?
You didn't get any job till date.
Okay. Joint recovery.
What?
Recovery manager. The guys who seizes the bikes. You'll be heading the team.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Vivekananda, if the owner likes you, your time is started.
Don't like me.
Then you have to think that your time is wrong.
Oh, God.
This is the manager's cabin. This is the locker key. This is not an ordinary key. You can open heaven and also hell with this key. You must decide what you want. I mean, you should behave yourself.
Okay, sir.
Look, this is Ginger.
What, Ginger?
Yes, Ginger. Ginger. You see, this is what we call this. You see? Ginger.
Ginger means it's not only ginger, it has strength and power also.
Exactly. If it is in our hands, that's a real power.
All these things were pledged here. These packets have dreams and also curses binded. When you work here, you have to be very much responsible.
Okay.
If at all anything goes wrong here, you will be the only reason for all that.
Oh, no.
If anything good happens, that credit will be going to our owner.
Oh. Oh, my God. Please be my side.
So what happened?
Cutting is over, sir.
Who said it is over? You're just going to start now. You know to cut fish?
Fish.
It's very easy.
Is
Of
it?
course.
Okay.
If you have any doubts, just ask me.
Okay.
I was out at the market yesterday. I got some good sardine. Taste and omega-3 fatty acids. This thing is the best in the world.
I got that.
Then cut it and get it ready.
Sir, when you're talking about the best, I also got the best job in the
Oh,
world.
yes, I noticed.
Okay, sir.
All your life you have been a vegetarian so far, and now you're going to become a non-vegetarian. Like a tasty, spicy sardine gravy. Let your hands cut and the mouth talk.
Oh, you're right, sir. Like a soft vegetarian food, my life and that manager post in the Ilamuttam branch was very peaceful. But suddenly it took a U-turn and became non-vegetarian. Like a raw smelly fish, my life became filthy.
Excuse me.
Sit down.
My name is Rupa. I pawned some belongings some time back. I've come to pay and take them back.
Okay, fine. Can you give me the card?
I brought it. I'll give it to you now. Just a minute.
Vivekananda, Rupa.
I don't have even a single.
Not that man. Rupa.
What?
Just look there.
Eh?
Yes, man.
Are you sure?
Exactly, she's the one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Rupa,
Huh?
can you recognize me? Just think, please.
Oh, you know all about my life, right? 98470-42634.
There is a mistake in that number. See, your brother is a police and I'm really afraid of him. Intentionally, I said the wrong number to you. It's not 1, that's 4.
That's not such a big thing. The distance between 1 and 4 is huge. Haven't you thought about that? You're not worth it.
You know the one, he is inside only. If you don't mistake, please come inside. Please come. He is that person, number 1.
Vivekanandan. Sit down. What happened? Why?
Nothing at all. I was just thinking about how foolish I was. Girls don't need to be beautiful at all. Girls just need to have brains. They should understand that.
Rupa's. I'm not asking about the value. How is your life?
You can ask me the value,
okay.
but it's gone down. My brother had an accident.
Happy.
Hey, wait. Is he died in that?
No, he got paralyzed and is now bedridden. Didn't you know that?
I don't know that. When it happened?
Hey, we didn't know that. When?
A few days after we shifted to the new place.
Oh, I forgot to ask you. What are you doing here?
Yeah.
I had pawned a few ornaments of mine. Have come to take them back.
Sorry.
Yes.
Are you here? Is the procedures over?
Mohan, please meet Mr. Vivekanandan.
Oh,
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
I'm the manager of this branch.
Huh, you don't remember Mohan? Your friend told me. That digit 4. Mohan, look, this is the phone's original owner.
So, instead of him only, I came into your life, right? It's just a wrong call for me. That too from a beautiful girl like Rupa, also a sweet voice. As soon as she asked that you have given the phone, I couldn't say no for it. But in a way, according to you, it's a cheating only. But giving the wrong number, which your friend has done, is also a cheating only. On the day if she has given the phone and number to her brother, imagine if she asked her brother to take care of that guy. Just think what would be my situation. But she hasn't done that. She will not. Because she is a kind person who knows only to love. That's it.
It's all because of you. Because of your stupid idea, I lost her. You didn't give the right number. Now I'm facing the loss. Do you know how terrible I'm feeling now? He's saying she's my Rupa. I'm going to kill you, man.
Every girl has different times, Vivekananda.
Okay.
It will be written who is for whom.
Where?
Like writing on the rise. It is the duty of the god to allocate a life for a girl. She is supposed to be the wife of Mohan.
Yeah.
And for that, me, you and the mobile is a reason. At least that girl has got escaped.
Exactly.
That's enough.
Can you get down? Hey, you are an example for a true friend.
Exactly.
I'm really happy. From here, it is 7 kilometers to our house.
Exactly.
Walk and
man.
come back.
Hey,
Get lost.
hey, Stop, man. Stop. Hey, there is no auto from here, man.
Good luck, you have.
Why are you saying that? Because I lost her?
What is to doubt there? The reason females were created was to torture and screw up the happiness of men. In Adam and Eve's story, if Eve hadn't asked Adam to eat the apple, man would have been happy.
I really don't know who wrote all these things, but I was the one suffered. I was entirely submerged.
Vivekanandan, you're such a lucky person for me. After I've seen you, so many positive things have happened in my life. Do you know that?
Oh.
I like a house and I wanted to buy it, but the rent was very expensive for me. But the owner of the house called me last night. He's giving it at the rate I want. I need 10 lakhs as the advance. Can you give me? The gold is just at home. I'm not wearing it. So can you take it and give me the money, please?
One second. Shivagami?
Sir?
Immediately I need 10 lakh rupees. Bring it to my cabin.
Okay, sir.
Take this. No, you don't need to pledge all these things. Take any one out of it.
I don't know what to take from this, so can you take something and give it to me?
How can I select?
What's there? If your friend had said number 1 instead of number 4, you would have been in my life right now.
In that case, you can take this. This will definitely suit you.
Vivekanandan, is this what they say when great minds think alike? Even I wanted to take this chain.
You put a signature here.
Keep everything inside the
Okay, sir. Actually, the loss is not for you. It's for me.
Mr. Mohan, the relationship between you, are you happy?
In life, there is no going back, right? The last digit of a mobile number is my life now. What to do?
God.
Boss called you.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
You have pledged your house documents in a bank, am I right?
Yes, boss. Why, sir? You're going to sell that?
Yes, eviction, but not your house. Who is this girl?
She's
Who
Rupa.
is she for you?
She's my friend,
You
sir.
see, you both have done something together, huh? You
no.
bloody rascal.
No, sir,
you
sir,
playing
sir,
with me?
sir.
I know to embrace, and I also know how to kill people. Look at this. This is all rolled gold, not original.
Mohan Menon, Tushar Villa, number 13. Okay.
This is the thing, man.
Correct. address.
Exactly, man.
Behave properly.
No one is here.
You came here for begging. Go inside. Come. Sir,
Who is this?
we want to meet Mr. Mohan.
Mohan? Who is Mohan?
Number 13, Tushar Villa.
Yeah, it's the right address. But there is no one called Mohan here.
We want to see Rupa's husband,
Sorry,
Mohan.
sir. There is no Mohan. There's no Rupa here. It's my house. Somebody has given you the false address, I
Sir,
think.
we need
I
to
tell you,
meet
please,
Mohan.
you move out.
It's
Move out.
very-
Please, go out. Go, go, go.
Like the way your cousin cheated you, she has also cheated you.
For the cheating like this, the Papachan's usual punishment is breaking 2 hands and 2 legs, and he will cut us and take body organs and sell it. But in my case, he was slightly merciful.
I'll give you a month's time. Within that, you have to either pay me or bring the ginger. Out of the 2, I should get 1. If you don't bring it, your mother, brother, everybody will be tortured. They will be tortured.
You torture me to any level, sir. But please spare my family.
Who will be with you to enjoy the good times? Just think. It's your family. Think about it. The same way, your family should enjoy the bad time you have, correct? Go. Beg, borrow, steal, but bring it. Go.
Vivekananda.
What happened?
Ahmed has stopped giving money right now, man. He is saying that 2 losses will come for giving the money. First loss is the money and the second loss is the relationship. I really tried a lot, buddy. They're asking for anything for pledging, man. But you will not get it also. In this field, your track record is really pathetic.
What I'm going to do? Within a month, I have to return 10 lakhs. Oh God, how I'm going to arrange for that?
We have only one way to escape out of this, man. First is lottery. Or else, we have to steal.
You decided to steal?
Theft. It is not everybody's cup of tea. It is an art. A thief is an artist.
Kesavan, when it comes to stealing, he is a great artist. He is famous for many years, but till date, he was never caught by police. In his driving school, he gives advice to new thief and he teaches excellent skills of a thief because he is an expert in that.
What happened, Keshava? Is that thing ready for me?
Telling me something
Ah.
and telling God is the same, you know. Both will happen. But there is a difference. God will not steal, but I will steal. Come, look at this.
Wow, super. How did you arrange this, man?
They had left it in a workshop, but I cajoled the policeman there and brought it here.
When the villain police chases the hero, we have to drop the jeep from the top of the hill, you know? What else can I do? I have become a cinema production controller, you know? I have to fulfill all the demands of the director, you see? For next 1 month, the film shooting will be here only, okay? I need more and more properties, okay? I will come again. Hey, call the set assistant, man.
After hearing our problems, Kesava decided to help us. But I'm really against stealing somebody's money.
What happened?
My mom always says, even in your tough situation, don't steal anyone's money.
Just to save her life only, we came here to steal. You know about the boss, right? If he says that he will beat...
Stealing is not so bad, you know. It is a kind of inspiration.
Inspiration?
Yes. Have you seen the latest movies? It is all based on stealing. If we ask, they say inspiration. They are inspiring only us. All you want is only 10 lakhs. Wherever they don't want it, we'll go there and take it and come. It is neither a sin nor a crime. One who is in need has the right.
He's right. I was always dead against stealing. But now, I have decided that path.
You see, there are 3 types of men.
Huh.
Lower, upper, middle. We should enter an upper class house. The same way houses are also very different. A good looking house, needy house, which was restored, which cannot be restored or under litigation. We had to select only good looking houses. Yes. You see, people are talking about Vastu Shastra. It is not to fool people. In my opinion, it is also another art like stealing. It is a success formula. How is this house?
There's no confusion.
But there is a problem. By the looks I can tell you it is trouble. The kitchen is not properly located. I'll tell you what will happen. There'll be no peace.
Oh.
Whose peace?
Yours?
It is wife.
I see.
If your wife is not happy, what more is there?
Oh, okay.
So, we should avoid such houses. Have you ever seen well cared for wives? Good looking house will be like that. Such houses will welcome us, you know. Come in. Come and steal whatever you want. It will beg us to steal. Look there. It will be like that. Listen to me. This has all kinds of blessings. It is a beautiful and lucky house. You have everything in there. Look at my technique. Huh? Everything is perfect. You see, right at the corner, you will have a master bedroom. North side, you will have kitchen. At the other end, you will have another bedroom. That's a good sign. We don't have to doubt anything anymore. This is the house.
Okay, let's count from
Okay,
this.
man.